applications you can make use by making use of IoT and artificial intelligence networks. There are smart cities. The new concept is coming nowadays that the vehicles will know the position of traffic. The red lights are integrated. Red lights are smart. They detect the motion of the vehicles, and accordingly this particular data is broadcasted. So any location where you are there in the city, you will be able to know where is traffic jam. You can alternately route you can devise your own route so that you do not get into traffic jams. There can be the energy systems in your city that during these sensors are embedded into the lights. So whenever there is a sunlight, they will automatically switched off. Whenever there is a darkness, so making use of those LDR concept, they will be put on. Then the load distribution also can be accommodated. So these are the few examples of IoT devices and sensors which are being used in your day-to-day life. Now, how that has become possible? This is one thing. It is nothing, but you already know that sensor can give you the desired outcome. If it is a temperature sensor, it will be able to give you temperature. If it is a humidity sensor, it will be able to give you humidity. If it is a oxygen sensor, it will give you the oxygen. If it is a pulse sensor, it will give you the pulse. If it is a gas sensor, it will give you the gas. If you want to know the environment of a city at different localities, if you install these sensors like gas sensors, so they will detect the particulate of that particular area, and that can be displayed. So these are only become, these all things have become possible when sensors are there. Sensors will detect the required parameter, and that required parameter will be communicated to the desired person. How it is possible? For that you need to have connectivity of those sensors. You need to have collection of data of those sensors. You need to have transportation of that data available at cloud, so that you can broadcast the desired outcome of that sensor parameter to the required person. And then you need to have analytics of high quality of analytics, so that the desired person is getting a particular parameter from that particular collected data. So this is how your IoT is taking a future shape of the technology. So network. Now where from these things have come into the mind of the people? It is nothing. If you see our human brain, it is an excellent example of networking. It is an excellent example of analytics. It is an excellent example of artificial, not artificial intelligence. So these all things has been taken from human being, and then only few percent, I mean to say not even 1% has been implemented by the scientists so far worldwide. But at least you can say that few things are coming up. If you see in some Ramayana and Mahabharata, there was a Udantastri. Now that is going to happen true. Reason being, there is a smart electronics. As I said, I have shown you in the last lecture. There is a flexible, transparent consumer electronics. It means the sensors are built on transparent films. It means if SOC is there, if NOC is there, system on chip or network on chip, they can be built on smart, flexible, transparent films. Those films can be embedded with circuitry, just like your what are drones. the drones can be built on this smart electronics. Now they will look like Udantasti. So this is how it means. What I presume, it's my personal view, that the scientific development during those days was very advanced, and now we people are still slowly picking up to reach to that particular arena. So to go to that extent, we need these sensors, we need these devices.